Good afternoon. This is Michael Masserang again, and we're doing an inspection for one of the real estate agents that calls me quite frequently. This house is going on the market, and this is kind of a pre-sale inspection to see some hot button issues that we really need to take care of before they put it on the market. There are some drainage issues on this house, and in particular here in the front, I think we're going to talk about bushes. These old neighborhoods in Charlotte have beautiful trees, and certainly want to keep those trees healthy and make sure they're properly pruned, and working with arborists, to maintain the health of these larger trees is certainly something you want to do if you have one on your property. But these bushes are really overgrown in the flower beds, and many homeowners make the mistake of thinking having these big invasive bushes in the flower beds is a good thing. And quite frankly, what happens is what we call heaving, and you can see these flower beds have built up a lot of debris, and the root systems have gotten large over the years, and so the level of the flower bed has gotten higher than the vents, and so we need some vent wells here. The bushes should be completely ripped out, removed, stumped, ground out, remove the old mulch and material, regrade so that you have proper pitch away from the structure. So a little bit of work to do in the front here. This holly bushes and crepe myrtles are probably the most obvious and most common problem I'll find with houses in Charlotte. And that's just too close to the house. That's going to cause foundation problems. And so I'll need to remove the holly tree before it gets any bigger. But certainly going into the Crawlspace, my understanding is this is an old vapor barrier, and we've got, obviously needs a good crawl clean out in here. Everything needs to be updated. But I was asked to look at this sump basin, and this is a prime example of how to not do a Crawlspace drain system. Probably this thing isn't even working. You can see here, the control pipe is on the surface. You can't do that. I mean, what were they thinking? You got to dig this out. Water's getting right past the system. And so you have a contractor that probably charged several $1,000s to put a pipe on top of a very small bed of rocks. This whole crawl, we're going to recommend, cleaning this up, getting rid of the mold, re-insulating, replace the vapor barrier, and then rip out this silly system and put in a new sump basin. So anyways, wanted to go over a few things about drainage here today. Certainly, if you're going to put your house on the market, these things need to be looked at and corrected to maximize your sale value. If you have any questions on that, certainly give us a call at the number on the bottom of your screen, and we'll be glad to come out and give you some help and get your house ready for resale. Again, this is Michael Masserang. Thanks for joining us today. Take care.